Here's the #1 way to become a millionaire in real estate. It's called the BRRRR method. The BRRRR method is a great way for you to buy properties, rehab them, get them rented, pull your cash out of the properties, then go buy more. And you'll do this cycle over and over, and then you'll have a bunch of real estate with no money in it. So let's go through an example. In 2018, we purchased a property for $139,000. It required a $30,000 down payment. Now, it was worth a lot more when we bought it. And in 2019, we did a cash out refinance. It was appraised at $189,000. The new loan on it was $151,000, so we got to pull out $79,000. In 2022, the property kept appreciating and it appraised at $330,000. We were able to get another new loan on it, and the new loan was $285,000. It had the ability for us to take out $79,000, and all this was just cash that we just continuously get to pull money out of the property. The mortgage was still sustained by the rents, and everybody's saying that money doesn't grow on trees, but it sure grows on the BRRRR method. Want to learn more about the BRRRR method? Check out our ebook. Links in the bio.